I studied 100 dropshipping stores and found 3 key factors which can make or break a store. Let's get started from looking at the results of some of them. First up on our list is Sarah Finance. She conducted an experiment for 1 week, where her product was a hair curler. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $839 with a profit of $432 and an average order value of $41.99. Next on our list is Tan Chaudhary, who conducted an experiment for 1 week, where his product was a hand gripper, resulting in a total revenue of $5,463 with a profit of 75%, which equals to $4,097. And an average order value was not disclosed. Up next, Trade Business, who also conducted an experiment for 1 week. His product was clip-on glasses. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $5,033 with a profit of $1,500 and an average order value of $40.74. Next is Muhammad Kamara, who conducted an experiment for 24 hours. His product was electric vacuum massage cups. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $480 with a profit of $218. An average order value was not disclosed. Next is Matt Weil, who also conducted an experiment for 1 month. His product was AirPods Cleaner. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $47.87 with a profit of $14 and an average order value of $15.96. Mikey again, who conducted an experiment for 1 month. His product was pen made of magnets. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $2,036 with a profit of $900 and an average order value of $31.52. Finally, Ainan conducted an experiment for 2 months. His product was Spine Tracker. The experiment resulted in a total revenue of $100,000, but he did not disclose the profit for 2 months. With an average order value of $40.83 and lifetime profit is almost equal to $80,000. Now that we have looked at the data, let's discuss some of the insights and key factors which can make a difference between a failed store and a 100K a month store. One of the most important things to keep in mind when running ads is to use them to amplify sales of products that are already working organically, rather than relying on ads to generate sales from scratch.
Advertising is an accelerator, not an initiator.
This is especially important when you don't have a big budget. Many new e-commerce entrepreneurs make the mistake of running ads when they don't have any sales yet, but this is not a good strategy. It's important to remember that ads are not a magic solution for generating sales. It's better to wait until you have a few sales organically, and then use ads to scale up. Additionally, by testing and optimizing your ads on a small scale before scaling up, you'll be able to identify the ad campaigns that are working best for you, and focus your budget on those campaigns. Now, another one of the most important thing is, when it comes to building your e-commerce business, it's important to not reinvent the wheel. Instead, focus on finding and learning from what's already working for others. This could be products, strategies, or even content. It's always easier to improve on something that already exists, rather than starting from scratch. This can save you a lot of time and money in the long run. By copying and learning from others, you can quickly find out what works and what doesn't. And by building on top of those successes, you can create something truly unique and effective. One key takeaway from watching all these YouTubers and stores is simply relying on dropshipping as a business model in most cases is not sustainable in the long term. As many YouTubers like David Fogarty, Jordan Welch, and Mark Tilbury have pointed out this issue, or you can say, a flaw of this business model. This is because dropshipping is characterized by a high level of competition and a reliance on third-party suppliers, which can lead to issues such as payment and ad account bans. Now, one strategy to overcome these challenges is to shift towards branding your product. This means moving away from simply reselling generic products from a supplier and instead creating a unique and recognizable brand that can differentiate you from the competition. By building a brand, you're able to establish a loyal customer base and increase the lifetime value of each customer. This can be achieved through strategies such as custom branding, focusing on customer experience, and investing in customer retention and acquisition efforts. Furthermore, building a brand can also help mitigate the risk of account bans, as stated by various YouTubers. Creating a unique and recognizable product is less likely to be flagged as a violation of advertising policies. And there you have it, the 3 key factors that I found to be essential for a successful dropshipping store. Remember, it's not just about finding the right product, it's about branding, customer acquisition, and retention. Thanks for watching.